One of the most requested videos from our audience, our viewers, like you, when I was arriving in Da Nang was footage of what it was like from the plane to the exit of the airport. What is the process you have to go through? What is the steps to get out of the plane all the way through immigration, getting your luggage, going through the last step with customs. Now, I did have to cut a few pieces out because you cannot record the actual process involved with immigrations or with customs. And really, I didn't record the baggage pickup because baggage pickup is baggage pickup. I didn't think you guys wanted to watch me stand there for 20 minutes waiting for a bag to come around the carousel, or actually 2 bags to come around the carousel. So I didn't record those pieces. But I did record walking out of the plane, walking down the hallway, up and around the corner, down the escalator to where immigration is. I stopped recording at that point when I got on the escalator because the immigration officers were right at the bottom and I did not want to capture any of them on film. I did pick it back up after I cleared through customs and walking out the door to go meet Will for the pickup. There he is.
What's up, Kevin?
What's going on?
How's
Yes,
it going,
sir.
man?
Pretty good.
Very
How you
nice.
going?
Was just doing a little bit of live stream.
Got you going too.
There we go. So he's recording me doing the live stream, and I'm recording him. So you got your bags?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool.
All right, so there you have it. There is the process. That is the whole steps, minus the security things, minus the hanging out waiting for my bags. It is a quick and smooth process. The first step with immigration, if you have your visa, you get in line, you show your passport, you show your visa letter, bam, they stamp you in. They look it up in the computer to make sure it's legit first. You get through there, you head right over to baggage claim, pick up your bags. Then you head over the only way to get out of the building through the exit where they're going to put you through another security check. Now, they only want to check your carry-on luggage because they've already scanned your check bags. So you'll have to put everything up on a little conveyor belt. It goes through an x-ray machine, no different than going through TSA in the States to get into the airport. Easy peasy done. Didn't really ask a lot of questions or nothing. It's probably one of the smoothest processes I've ever seen for entering another country. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you're not a subscriber yet, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button. Now I'm off to the beach to go make some more videos for you. Catch you on the next one.